Hi dear friends, welcome to one more video on my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I record my videos overhead, and I hope you like and enjoy this video. So come with me if you want to learn how I do it. So this is how I usually record my videos. It's just a setup on the corner of my dining room, and I use this small desk right here. It's a desk that you can fold. I usually don't fold it because when I'm not using it to record a video, I use it to put a bunch of stuff on it on my room. And when I'm recording it, I use this ring light. Let me just turn it off, just too bright. Okay, I turned the ring light off so you can see it better. So this, you can set it up like in an a vertical position as well, but this is how it works for me because I put my cell phone right here, plug my cell phone right here, and I can record my hands on the desk. And this ring light is pretty good. As you could see, it's really bright and helps me a lot because I only have time to record at night, so I don't have that sunlight, and this is how it works for me. I also have, so when I'm going to record, I leave all my materials next to me, and right here next to my desk I have this book. It's my scratchbook when I usually make some I don't know if I can call it drawing, but I kind of do a sketch of my designs, and yeah, this is what in the future will turn out some of the things that I make and I put up on my YouTube channel. And that's it. And sometimes when I have time to record during the day with the sunlight, I use this right here that I also got from Amazon. And what I do, I just put it this way, and then I put my cell phone right here, adjust it, and usually I have the window in front of me on my bedroom, and I will have some daylight, and I can record with this setup right here. But the setup with the ring light is the one that I use the most, and it works for me. This desk was actually a brown wood desk. I bought this contact paper also from Amazon, and you can see right here it's not even perfect, but it works perfect for me. It is the background of almost all the pictures that I have on my Instagram and pictures that I have for my Pinterest, and it works perfect. This desk, I don't remember, but I think it was $19, and this paper probably $12. I don't want to give you prices because I really don't remember. It was a long time ago, but I will find the links and I will link everything down below on the box information. And right here I have some of my materials. I have these scissors that I really love it, and I found it very cheap on Amazon. It was a pack of 2, this and a different model as well. I also keep next to me my needles, my tapestry needles, and I have some of my crochet hooks here. I have this one that I don't use that much. I not even remember what size this is. It doesn't have it. And these 2 right here, I bought those at Dollar Tree. They are okay. Not, I don't know. I didn't use them that much yet to give you a fair opinion, but they are okay to work with. And this one right here, if I'm not wrong, I got this one at Walmart. This is very, very comfortable to work with. And these are just regular metal hooks, and I will show you. I have some more. I have those in my bedroom. Let me go ahead and show you those as well. This is my little offset right here. It's nothing special, actually. It's just again a corner on my bedroom. Today is really rainy outside. Good day to be at home and have some chocolate, hot chocolate maybe. But I do have this board right here that I still need to fill out with all my plans for 2021 for my crochet business, and I'll let you guys know as soon as I do. And I don't have much things right here. This area is usually clean because this is where I put my computer to work on, and usually I take this cart off of that place and put it aside so I can put my chair right here. I'm planning to get an office chair because those chairs from my dining table, they are not that comfortable. But I bought this right here. This is from Target and I paid I think $3 on it. Okay, could open it. And so I do have my measure tape right here. I have another one somewhere, and some hooks, and the scissor that I told you about that I bought with that other one. Really charming as well. I love those to put on my pictures. I think they bring like a charm detail to the picture. And right here I have what? I have more more hooks. So I bought this as well at Joann's, I think. Yeah. Or was it at Amazon? I really don't remember. But I've seen it on Amazon as well. I will put the link down for you guys if you want to check it out. I really don't use those small ones because, to be honest, I like more to work with 4 medium yarn. Almost all my designs, they are made with 4 medium yarn. But I do keep all of them in case one day I will decide to make a project with a thinner yarn. And those two I also bought from Dollar Tree. I can't resist. Every time I go to Dollar Tree and I see any related, crochet related stuff, I have to grab it. And these are Lion brand bamboo hooks, and I love them as well. I have them since beginning of 2020, but I didn't have that much time to try them on, and I was trying them with a project the other day, and they are really comfortable. So if you get a chance to put your hands on one of those sets, truly go ahead and do it because they are worth it. And I bought them at Walmart actually on the crafting session. And the last I'm going to show you is this box right here. I bought this box at Dollar Tree, and I just keep here my pom-pom makers, those markers, punch, and another, oh, that it is, my other measure. I bought this for a project that I'm doing for myself actually. I want to organize all my crochet information, and I will put all on this binder right here. So I'm creating actually a printable for myself, but if you guys are interested, I can share that with you. And let me give you an overview. Oh, I also keep those notebooks. So sometimes I have like random ideas, so I like to go ahead and just write it down so I won't forget later. So that's it, guys, and this is just my mess right here. I hope you like this. It's not like some people show like their fancy stuff in like a craft room, but it works for me. My business is still small, and I'm planning to grow it in 2021. And stick with me if you want to grow your business as well, because I am going to share with you everything that I learned on my way, and I hope you can succeed as well. So that's it for today, and I'll see you guys on the next video.